How to remove or extend unlock trusted places and devices on Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus or Ultra. First tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then swipe down at the top and tap on the settings icon. Now from here, we then go down and tap on lock screen and AOD. Next, tap on extend unlock. Now enter in the current PIN or password and tap on continued. Next, to remove all the trusted places, tap on it and then tap on the place, enter in the current PIN or password, and then tap on the delete button to remove all of the trusted places. After we go back and then go back into extend unlock and tap on continued. This time we will select all the trusted places or the trusted devices to remove. So here I'll select this device and then tap on remove, and that's it. Do repeat these steps until you have successfully removed all the trusted places and devices. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.